Hey guys, it's Killer from HAL88 here, and I'm doing a couple of videos on no scopes and quick scopes. I'm using the Gold MSR. That was a great no scope. Subscribe to us, watch, rate. I don't have a capture card. I'm about to buy one. Got killed once. I think it was 9-1. Yeah, it was great killing. I love this game. And then a couple of quick scopes in there. And we'll go on to another clip that on Seatown, but I'll keep it as, and that's ended. So okay, this is my clip from Seatown. It's just about to load. It's like 1 or 2 quick scopes and no scopes. It's good. I like it. It's fun. Quick scoping, no scoping is fun. Rate, comment, subscribe. The videos are over. Sorry guys. See you again. I'll post more videos tomorrow.